What's up, guys? This is going to be a review of some UGG boots that was purchased for me. Now, I would have never bought a pair of UGG boots, all right, but you know, I thought they were for girls, da 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 da, right? But check it out. Everybody loves these unboxing videos, right? Okay, look at the box. Ooh, 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 ooh. It's a box of boots. Check it out. But I must say this to you guys that never considered buying Uggs, right? Or never considered getting a pair of these. I already unboxed them, obviously. They come with some other kind of gizmo like this, one other gizmo to keep the shape. But basically, there it is. Okay, it doesn't look like much. I don't know what it comes across, how it's going to come across on camera that well, but I'll show you the other side. It's got the UGG written on the side. But the best part of this boot is what's inside, baby. Oh, can you see that lamb wool or whatever the hell that is in there? That is so comfortable. These boots are so comfortable. Number one, they get points with me for not having laces. Okay, I absolutely cannot stand laces. All right, and it's not just because I'm getting older. It's that I could never stand them. Right? But this boot is comfortable. Comfortable, I tell you. You know, I'm going to try to show it in every angle. I'm not a shoe geek. You know, I'm not one of these people that, shoes. So this ain't going to be a 10-minute long video. I've only had these for a couple, maybe a week or two. I've only worn them a handful of times. Okay, I definitely put them on now because it's 12 degrees outside. But yeah, I definitely recommend these. Yeah, if you want to know, these are size 16. Probably 2 sizes bigger than what I normally wear, but my foot was swollen. I tell you, I had a health issue once again that the CMOS cleared up, and my foot was swollen. So these boots were bought 2 sizes bigger just to make sure they would fit my swollen foot. But I do recommend, just because there's no laces and it's a snug fit. If you're a size 12 and you're a guy, I recommend at least going up to a 13. Right? It'll still fit your foot snug and your foot won't move around in there. Extremely comfortable, extremely warm. These are cloth or material boots. I don't know exactly what type of material they're called. Once again, I'm not a shoe geek. All right, but this is the shoe. If you guys want to order it online, okay, that's the official name, the classic mini UGG print, whatever. But extremely warm, okay, extremely comfortable. Definitely recommend them. Because these were like a size 16, I think they were overstocked, and these were on sale for like $100. Well worth the money. I'd have paid $300 for them, $400 for them. Okay, because of this cloth, velour material, whatever this is. Like I said, I'm not a shoe person or a clothing person like that. I don't recommend wearing these in the rain. Okay, but I've got them dirty. You know, there's a lot of salt on the road out here, and all I had to do was take a wet washcloth and wipe them down, and the dirt came right off. You know, but like I said, great for cold weather, comfortable sole, thick sole, comfortable to walk around. And once again, you guys can see that lamb, whatever that is, that fur in there, that white fur in there, man, it feels like a cloud on your foot. Your foot is nice and warm and comfortable, and your foot won't sweat. And the great thing about these is that, you know, if you just want to run to the store real quick, run to the corner store, the bodega or something like that, you ain't got to throw on no socks. You can slide your foot in there barefoot, and you'll still be warm, still be comfortable. So yeah, that's my quick review on these UGG boots. All right, I definitely recommend them. Peace.